All right, guys, so we are announcing the biggest project we've ever done right here, right now.
We were looking for a Project RZR on Facebook Marketplace, and the stars aligned, and we ended up on the phone with Connor, who was selling a 2016 RZR Turbo.
After being on the phone with Connor for just a few minutes, we learned that this was a machine that his father and him had purchased together with the intentions of rebuilding it from the ground up and riding it together.
Unfortunately, we then learned that Connor's father tragically passed away in an accident. And Connor tried fixing this machine, but unfortunately it was too big of a project, and he felt like he had to sell it.
Once we heard this story, guys, we knew that there was absolutely no way we could take this machine away from this young man.
So right then and there, we committed to buying this RZR, and it happens to be that machine right behind us.
Hello?
What's up?
Connor, what's up, dude? So, we told you that we were gonna give you updates. And we're calling you with an update from the RZR.
What we didn't tell you is that the project was going to be to rebuild the RZR, and we're going to give it back to you.
We're gonna be doing something really cool, man. We're gonna be rebuilding this. It's gonna be an awesome project for us. And we didn't feel right buying the machine and then just doing what we want to do with it, but we definitely want to, we want you to have it.
So now we have the machine, and the build continues.
Now guys, in the past few days, a lot of people have been reaching out to us asking how they can help, and the support is overwhelming. We are so appreciative of that. In order to be efficient and transparent, we set up a GoFundMe page. That way, everybody who wants to pitch in can have a way to do this. Our budget is not small, guys, because we're not going to just fix this and get it running. We're going to do a complete overhaul, making this the best machine that Chris or Connor could ever imagine.
I mean, guys, we're talking engine, transmission, driveline. We're doing cages, wheels, tires, all the big stuff. Hopefully a big boy turbo.
So without further ado, guys, we want to introduce to you Project 144.